Groups enable you to notify a set of users, devices, dynamic teams, and other groups as a single recipient. Organizing users into groups allows you to create on-call schedules, define escalations, and set shift rotations to notify only members actively on duty. There are two ways you can view groups. Groups I Supervise shows you only the groups you are the supervisor for. All Group shows you all the groups you have permission to view in your xMatters instance. If you have a lot of groups, you can use this search to refine the list of groups you're viewing. Type 2 or more letters of a search term and a suggestion box will pop up displaying a list of fields you can search within. To add a new group, click the Add button at the top of the page. Enter a name and a description for the group, and then add new users to your group. You'll become the group supervisor by default, but you can add or edit the group's supervisors later from the Supervisors tab. When you're finished, click Add Group to create it. To delete groups, select one or more from the list, click the Delete button, and then confirm the deletion. You can export the list of currently displayed groups using the Export button in the top corner of the page. The exported file will also show you the on-call schedules for those groups.